my husband told me that it looks like a cage. And then when I opened the plastic, I was like, oh, but why the other one don't have? And why there is a bird? Oh, there's a bird. Hi guys! Pasensya na talaga at nakat ko yung video kahapon at hindi ko nasabi kung magkano yung nagastos namin. Pero nasabi ko naman dun sa mga last part ng video kung magkano yung namin yung guess namin. Pero siya, almost the same siya sa guess ko. At yung guess ni hubby is sakto siya guys. Yung nabili namin kahapon was around mga 5,000 something. So, hindi ko siya maano. Kasi na-misplace ko yung resibo. So, that's around mga 30,500, something like that. So, for today's video guys, tingnan natin kung saan ba aabot yung 30,000 pesos sa Ikea, Norway. So, mas malaki siyang pera guys, diba? Pero, i-compare mo dito sa Norway, parang siya eh. Normal salary dito sa Norway is around mga 25,000 to 30,000, merong 15,000 kroner, 20,000, 25,000 to 30,000, tapos yung mga malalaki na mga manager na ganun-ganon, so they have mga 40,000. At i-discuss ko din yung kung magkano sahod ko siguro sa mga next video pa. Hindi ko pa siya kayang i-disclose now kasi marami pa akong mga videos na backloads na hindi ko pa na-upload. So, for today's video guys, I will show you kung ano yung napamili namin kahapon, kung saan ba umabot yung 30,000 pesos dito sa Ikea, Norway. Kasi nga 'di ba may Ikea Philippines soon. So that is very interesting guys. Kung same lang ba yung price ng Ikea Philippines at Ikea Norway. Pero siguro hindi yung same price. Kasi pag Philippines, siguro siya, i-adjust siya sa, paano ba yun? Adjust siya ng cost of living sa Philippines. So if 300 kroner, so it would also be 300 pesos. Diba mga ganun? At kung yung 5,000 pesos sa Philippines, siguro mga 5,000 pesos din sa Norway. Siguro, I hope so guys. I hope so. Para naman ma-afford siya ng mga kababayan natin at makabili din sila ng mga good quality. Maganda naman yung quality sa Ikea guys. At saka super cheap siya dito sa Norway. Kaya dun kami nagbibili ng mga things. Kasi na siya, isang tindahan na lang is andun na lahat eh. Mga kurtina, mga lahat-lahat na. So, and then, siya. Siya eh. Paano ba yung nasabi ko? Ay, nakalimutan ko na. So, guys, if you're interested to see kung ano yung napamili namin, just keep on watching. Today is April 14 and we've been to Ikea yesterday, so today I'm gonna do Ikea haul. So this is what, so we have 3 bags here, and I'll begin with this, and I'll just open this one. So this is, you're gonna put here inside the drawer, but I'm not so sure if this one fits in our drawer, the walk-in closet. So this is how it looks like. Oh, like this. Look at this. There is like a tape on the side, and you can just do like that. This is good. So this is how it looks like guys. There is, I supposed to use this, maybe I'm gonna use this with where I'm gonna put socks or maybe underwears like that, because it has compartments. So this one just cost maybe 50 kroner, or I'm not so sure how much it is, but I'll just put the link below so you can check on it. It's in Ikea. This is all is from Ikea, and I just bought one because I didn't know if this one will gonna fit. So if this will fit, then I will gonna buy 2 more or 1 more maybe. And we have this one. You're gonna put on the curtains where you put the curtain rods. We bought, I guess we bought 6 of it. 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, because we have another one there. We have 3. And we bought lights for the lamp, and we bought 2 of this, like where you're gonna hang the lamps on, like that. We bought 2 for the lamps in that, and we bought this. Probably said it's a cage. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna open this one. There. It's like that. And it's like modern lamp. And that is just very cheap, guys. It's very cheap. It is just maybe 90 or 100, 700 pesos each lamp. We bought 2 for the there's a chicken, like a bird. We bought 2 for the dining room or the above the table, and we bought 2. My love, I'm gonna show you something.
What? What do you think with that there?
It's you! Nine!
Yo.
9.
Yo.
You did?
Ja.
Det tullar mig.
Nej.
Was it open?
Because I opened it in the bottom.
You're so sneaky. I showed them, like, I did like, oh, there's like that. I told them that my husband told me that it looks like a cage. And then when I opened the plastic, I was like, oh, but why the other one don't have? And why there is a bird? Oh, there's a bird. You are so
Because
sneaky.
it's a bird cage, of course there's a bird.
You're so sneaky, Tambo. How did you cut it? You print it?
Yeah, I printed it.
You really took effort on printing the bird?
Yeah.
Take it, Malo. Can you take it here?
What?
These stuffs.
No.
And assemble it. Please.
Do I assemble it?
Yeah. And we got a curtains for the because we have a big window in the living room, so we bought 4, like 2 of them.
4 for you.
Yeah, but it has 2.
2 packages. So 4 curtains.
So we will not gonna use the other one. So we just gonna use 3 of it. I'm gonna show you after we already put all the stuffs. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And we bought cover because our cover in the bed is so nasty. And we bought sengetoy, or what is this? Sengetoy.
I don't know.
Sengetoy.
Velvet cover?
Duvet cover.
I don't really know.
Duvet. Duvet, you know.
Why did
Duvet.
you ask me?
Maybe duvet. Duvet, I don't know. Comforter. comforter cover. This one looks like most of those who are in the hotel, like that. It looks like this one, like you use in the hotel, because it's plain white. I like to have a cover that is with white and then with pattern, but we can't find it yesterday, so we just have this one. And this is really big, guys, because we have a duvet that is like one duvet for one bed. And then we have this for our walk-in closet. This color is, where is it? But it looks gray here too. It looks gray. We will see how this one looks like. And we bought we have three LED lights here. This one for the spotlights. And I'm so excited to put this one on. And we have cover for the curtain rod. We bought 3 of it, I guess. And we bought two package of glass, because we don't have glass anymore. It broke, and this is just 300 pesos, right? Nah, 60. 300 pesos for this. So I really hope that Ikea will build a store in Bohol. I know. Because they have really good stuffs, and they are affordable. Here in Norway, they are really affordable. And we bought spotlights. This one. This is where we're gonna use this LED lights. Oh yeah, I can unpack it. Can you give me a scissor or something, please? Thank you. So this is how it looks like. This one, guys. This is so minimalistic. That's what I love. This one, and you can turn 360 degrees, and then you can flip this one in, or like that, or you can do like that to the wall, against the wall, like that. Maybe I'll have like this. This is how it looks like. And then we're gonna put this LED lights. So I guess this would be nice. You guess?
Yeah, that would be good.
And we bought 2 of this for the. This is for the cabinet in the entrance. And the curtains, this is dark pink. I hope this one fits in our blue wall that we have in the bedroom. And this is with the other. Oh, they looks like the same, but not the same color. And this is for the living room here beside me. So we bought 2. We bought 2 of this. 1 and 2. But we gotta use just 2 of it. It has 2 pieces, but we'll just use maybe 3 of it. We will see. I hope it's nice. And 2 lamps. 2 bulbs. This one for the cage, bird cage. So I guess this is all. And we bought shelves and drawers for our walk-in closet there. There is the shelves. And there. And hubby already hang it on.
Okay.
So that's all, guys, for the IKEA haul. It will not be, maybe this is our first haul. We're not yet done to buy something for the kitchen, and we still lacking a lot of stuffs, and we will just buy every time we have salary because it might be expensive with all the renovations and stuff. So I guess that's all, and Hada!